Tile and sealed hard floors require cleaning tools that can lift sticky residues without leaving streaks or introducing excess moisture. The category explored here spans traditional spin mops, dedicated hard floor cleaners, and hybrid vacuum mop systems, with prices ranging from entry-level budget options to premium all-in-one devices. Product number 1. SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner with washable mop pads for sealed hard floors. The SpinWave 20393 is a corded, dedicated hard floor spin mop that relies on machine-powered cleaning pads and a targeted spray system. Its core strengths lie in simple, on-demand solution delivery and a low-profile head that facilitates edge cleaning and under-furniture access. With 6 washable pads and 3 travel-size formulas, the kit emphasizes ongoing cleaning cycles without frequent pad purchases. The product is designed for sealed floors and eschews vacuum suction in favor of direct mopping with a rotating pad mechanism. In practice, the SpinWave excels at lifting sticky spills and dried stains on sealed wood, ceramic, and linoleum floors when paired with Bissell formula. The absence of suction means it won't pick up loose debris, so surfaces free of grit perform best. The lightweight build, about 13.96 pounds, and swiveling head improve maneuverability to reach tight corners, but the corded design can marginally impede mobility in larger spaces. The 6 reusable pads support long cleaning sessions, though pad management and wash frequency become an ongoing maintenance consideration. Performance will shine on daily maintenance and routine mopping rather than aggressive deep cleaning or wet drying tasks. Product number 2. Hoover's FloorMate Deluxe Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. Hoover's FloorMate Deluxe combines wash and dry modes with spin scrub brushes and a dual tank system, aiming to be a complete on-floor cleaning solution. The dual tank design keeps clean and dirty water separate, reducing the risk of recontaminating floors during cleaning. The user-selectable wash and dry modes provide a streamlined workflow: scrub to lift grime, then suction to remove excess moisture for faster drying. The unit is corded and relatively lightweight, with a focus on efficiency for hard floor surfaces, including tile, laminate, vinyl, and sealed hardwood. In use, the FloorMate Deluxe shines for multi-stage floor cleaning. Scrub cycles lift embedded dirt, while the dry mode reduces drying time, making it suitable for small to medium spaces or high-traffic areas. The spin scrub brushes offer a balanced cleaning action without aggressive abrasion, which is beneficial for delicate sealed floors. The 420-watt motor provides steady performance, though it may require extended cleaning sessions in larger rooms due to its 1-quart water capacity. Product number 3. Auric Commercial Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner Machine. The Auric OB550MC is a commercial-grade multi-purpose cleaner with a random orbital drive, designed to handle a broad spectrum of floor surfaces, including scrubbing, stripping, and polishing. Its orbiting action minimizes brush marks and delivers a uniform finish. The machine's versatility makes it suitable for facilities and large home users who need a single tool for multiple tasks, from deep cleaning tiles to prep work for refinishing hardwoods. For tile and sealed hard floors, the Orbiter's random orbital drive delivers consistent agitation without gouging or streaking, while its wide cleaning path and long 50-foot cord support productivity in larger spaces. It's not a typical consumer-focused mop, but excels when you require a heavier-duty clean, especially in environments with textured or grout-heavy surfaces. Maintenance considerations include commercial-grade components at a heavier. Product number 4. Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop All-in-One Wet. The Bissell Crosswave 3888A is an all-in-one vacuum and mop that vacuums and washes floors simultaneously, with a 2-tank system to keep clean and dirty water separate. It's designed for multiple surfaces, including tile, sealed wood, laminate, and area rugs, and features an antimicrobial Fresh Start filter to combat odors. Its canister-like form factor with a corded car resource emphasizes quick transitions between surfaces and quick cleaning cycles in a single pass. In real-world testing, the Crosswave Turbo shines on mixed floor layouts, hard surfaces, and rugs by absorbing debris while washing at the same time, reducing step count. The 420 milliliter tank capacity is adequate for typical homes, but may require refills for larger spaces. The dual tank design helps maintain hygiene, and the included multi-surface PET formula supports households with animals. However, its weight and maneuverability can be less convenient on tight corners or area rug fringes, and thorough drying on plush rugs may require additional passes. Product number 5. Shark Steam Spot Steam Mop with Steam Blaster Technology. The Shark Steam Spot S2001 is a compact, lightweight steam mop built around steam power, a targeted steam blast, and 2 washable pads. It emphasizes chemical-free sanitization by using only water with 3 modes, light, normal, and deep, to address everyday spills and stubborn messes. A large removable 500 milliliter water tank supports longer cleaning sessions, and its textured dirt grip pads provide high absorption, while the scrub pads increase scrubbing power for tougher stains. In practice, Steam Spot is particularly effective for sealed hard floors like tile and laminate, where steam can lift grime with minimal effort. The Steam Blaster feature allows targeted bursts for stubborn spots, which is convenient for quick cleanups without recourse to chemicals. The 5-pound class weight and compact form factor make it easy to maneuver around furniture. Potential drawbacks include steam-only cleaning without any suction or debris pickup, meaning you still need to pick up large debris beforehand and can experience longer dry times on very porous surfaces if not used with adequate